Well, let's start with the sides of these Coalport Indian tree dinner plates, 10.25 inch, and it's always worth paying a little bit of attention to the rims on these because they do take a little bit of wear over the years, and these are sort of 1890s, 1900 date range on these porcelain dinner plates. So to find a stack looking like this with those nice clean rims without too much in the way of what we call nibbling along. It's just a little bit, very occasionally, where the little enamel's just got a little nibble in it. That's what we call nibbling around the rims. And you get it on dinner plates where they've taken the decoration right the way around the rims, where they come into contact with other plates and just get knocked, or little bits knocked off. But these are very, very clean, and that's what we really want to draw to your attention. Just going to change the camera angle now so I can show you the flat surface of these plates. Just 1 second. There we go, full frontal, so to speak, on a 10.25 inch dinner plate, Coalport porcelain china, Greek key borders in this, I always call it burnt umber, but I've got a feeling it may not be umber, the shade there. It could be ochre, who knows. Somebody will let me know, no doubt, in comments. Quite bright pinks on these. These are sort of, very late Victorian, when the colour palettes were much stronger in terms of their enamels. It's almost got a little bit of feel of Imari and Masons in it, in terms of the rich blues, pinks and greens they used on these. And then with that lovely Greek key borders, inner rim detailing where it drops down onto the plate surface. Let's show you this in more detail, because just look how clean for an 1890s dinner plate this is. Yes, there are occasional knife marks on there, but unless it's been on display, and if it's been in display over a couple of hundred years, 100 years, it's going to be damaged around that rim. So it's a sort of balancing act, really, in terms of whether you want a metal plate rack that's been wearing its way on those rims, or a used dinner plate. And this is the latter, a used one, but in fine condition for its age. Nice green Coalport AD 1750 green crown stamp, just with England, and it's also got an impress mark on this one, which I don't think is going to be easy to read. Looks like 18C26. So not sure of the significance of that. I don't think that is a date stamp. I think that is a batch stamp or pattern reference number that they've used on this. They're fantastic. They're 10.25 inch diameter, which makes them medium sized, not overly sized. I mean, full size English dinner plates, 10.5 to 10.75 inch with its deep rim, but these are certainly deep rimmed, as you can see. 10.25 inch. They would have made these in 1/4 inch increments, so you will have got 10.5, 10 inch, 9.75, and they'll be various different sizes made over the long period of time that Indian tree was manufactured by Coalport. But these are nice early examples in really fine condition, and incredibly rare to find. We've got a set of 6. All of them have that Coalport mark on. Some of the earlier ones we had at 10.25 inch did not have the factory stamps on, but they were most definitely Coalport, and we know that from this almost unique combination of the Indian tree pattern that Coalport applied onto their porcelain from this age. So we'll pop a link in the description taking you through to the Vintage Antiques website, where these dinner plates are currently going on sale from us here in the UK. Thanks for watching.